Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to customize notifications application in iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. In your home screen, go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and find the notifications. In the notification, scroll down and go to Notification Style. In the notification style, you will see a list of applications that you can customize. For example, I want to customize the Facebook notification. Then click Facebook. In the Facebook, all you have to do is switch on the Allow Notifications, and after that, you will see a list of settings for the Facebook notification. For the alerts, if you want to appear it on lock screen, just press lock screen. Then if you want to appear it also in notification center, then press notification center. And if you want to appear it also in banners, just press again the banners. And if you want your notification have sound, then switch on this button for the sounds. And if you want to appear your alerts with badges, just switch on this button and scroll down. Then if you want to change the lock screen appearance, you can customize it also in Shows Previews. If you want to appear your notifications always, then choose always when unlocked, and if it is never, you can customize it here. And if you want other Facebook notification settings, you can directly go to Facebook application to change the other settings. And that's it. We have successfully customized our application notifications in iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.